Hello everyone. In this video I am going to give a little introduction about Nmap. So what is Nmap? Nmap is nothing but it's a network mapper. Means it is the tool which is used to find out as much information about any system. If I want to know any information about some of the website or some of the applications, then I can use this tool and get all the information about some of the system. Say for some of the information like whether that application is online or offline, or what is the network topology, like what network topology that application is following, and what is the DNS information, and how many ports are open. As you know, there are 65,538 around ports are there. So if you want to know which ports is open in one of the application, then we can use this tool and we can analyze like what are those ports are open, and what are those softwares are running on the open ports, and what is the OS details, like which operating system that applications has installed, and is there any security loopholes are there. So these all are the information which we can get it using this Nmap. Nmap is nothing, as I said, it's a network mapper. If I explain this tool, this is how Nmap is looking. Nmap is having another name, Zenmap, so both are same. So if I explain this tool definition in a hacking perspective, then Nmap is the mother of hacking tool. So this is one definition for Nmap. So that much information this tool gives you. So this tool will run on top of certain command. So you have to pass certain commands there. Using that command, you can get as much information as you can of the system. So say for these are the some of the examples of the these are some of the examples of some of the applications that you can get it. This is the IP address of some of the applications that I don't need. Let me remove this. So Nmap SN-V PN, this is the URL. So here we have to pass whatever URL we want. So for demo purpose, I am going to show you one website. So for this website, I will just do some I will take some information for this website. So what are those commands are there? You have to just copy this website. This will gives you what are those ports are open. So this is the command which is used to give which port is open. So here I am changing the URL with the desired URL. So this is that URL. So let me give this URL here. I don't need this. Not this. Now click on scan. Once if you click and scan, it will take little time, and it will start here. Okay, sorry, I made mistake here. 1 minute. So now I will scan it. Okay, once we gave command, so it started running, and it will give all the information about this particular website. So we have to wait till all the information is going to come. So it started. So here if you see, they scan those DNS and they are now checking those ports. So these all are the ports are open in this website. These all are the ports which is open. So it discovered port number 110 is open. This port is open. 443 is open. As you said, this is not at all a HTTPS, it is a normal HTTP website. See, 80 port is open. So this is what this gives us, how many ports are open in this system, in this website. And if you see, another tab is there like port and post host. If you see here topology, here you will get still it is running. So now it is detecting OS. It's trying to detect OS. So it will give the full information about this. So this tool is used to get the more information about any website, or I can say any system or any applications. Okay, so this is just used for those learning purpose, to know how to get any information for any website. So my intention is to give you introduction about this tool, so that it will be useful for you to know how to get information about any website. So here it gives all the information about particular. So see this FTP, this open port, FTP is open. These all are the information about this application, this website. This website is not at all secure, because this is not at all HTTPS. Also OS they detected. See, this website is having Linux operating system. The server which is running behind this website is Linux server. So here also we detected Linux operating system. So this tool is fully working on top of command. So here we have to give the command, and that command is used to give you all the information. So this is more commands are there. So I will share some of the links where if you go, then you will find more number of command, and you can perform it. Okay. So another term I want to give you introduction, that is something called as TTL, time to leave. So what is TTL? So let me open command prompt. So after opening command prompt, I am giving ping say www.google.com. After giving this command, if you see here, ping command is nothing to check the connectivity between two servers. So connectivity, we are checking whether handshaking process is happening or not, like whether my information is getting transferred or not. So when I give this, it gives us TTL 55. So TTL is nothing but time to leave. So TTL is used to get the operating system, I mean which operating system is using for any purpose, say for service loader, or for for backend what operating system they are using, we will get using TTL value. So TTL is nothing, TTL is time to leave. So time to leave value or data packet represents its maximum possible age, means number of rotor it can pass before it dropped. So if we pass some data from one page to another, so it will drop, right? So how many rotor it is going to pass? So this will be a kind of counting. That counting will give by time to leave. So this is that number, whatever number we are seeing here, TTL5. But this TTL value is used to get the operating system of any system. So this is one term that I want to make you highlight. So TTL, time to leave value of a data packet, represents its maximum possible is, that is number of rotor it can pass before it is dropped. Prevents infinite loop of data packets. Each rotor reduce the TTL value of the packet by 1, hence it has now become hop counted. So just look on that. I will share you the introduction of this website link also. So this is all about this video today. So thank you very much. Thank you. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.